Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market and some crypto proxies. Um, I'm on Bitstamp right now on Bitcoin, guys. So here's the deal. One of the things is that you got a little bit of a clue. I posted this on Twitter yesterday, and the amount of volume that came in on that wave, guys, compared to that wave. Now, this is only Bitstamp. It's going to be different on the other exchanges, but it's another signal that's it's helpful. It can help you discern what exactly may be going on here, guys. And as I said in previous videos, I said Bitcoin's going to do a surprise. Okay, so as you recall, up into five waves, and most of the market was expecting this A, B, C. And it's never that easy. It's never that easy. You know, I wish it was that easy, but if it was that easy, we'd all be multimillionaires worth millions, maybe billions of dollars, right? So it came down here. Um, with that amount of volume that went into that wave, you have a good shot that that's the first wave of the third wave, guys, potentially. And if that's the first wave of the third wave, that means price targets are going to go much higher. In cryptocurrency market is just going out and leading the TradFi markets. The TradFi markets, like on the S&P 500, is making it's like a bottom forming process, in my opinion. I don't think there's going to be a dump in those markets. I think we're going to go up and to the right. They're sussing through everything and pricing in everything that's going on. I don't think the Fed is going to lower rate or raise rates or anything, or I don't think they're going to do anything different. I think it's 25 next week or whenever it is here in the next few days. It's going to be another 25, and then June there'll probably be another 25, and that'll probably be it. And TradFi should be going up and to the right, and Bitcoin is probably going to be quite a bit higher, guys. Probably near 40K, something like that. Definitely over 30, in my opinion. Of course, there'll be a correction in this area, and then it can go back up. Also, too, take a look at these other pieces of data on my assessment here on GBTC. GBTC is up 8%. Already, it's gapped up to what didn't get, it's up to well beyond my box 15. It's already almost at my second target of 1613, guys. So here's the deal. These are the targets I have on GBTC. I already hit the first one. Here's the next one of 16, a low end of 1630-ish about there, and then up to 2260 and then 2851. And if it's heading up in this direction, guys, you know what that means for Bitcoin? Bitcoin is going to be heading up in that direction. I still have my theory of this could be going all the way back up to the trend line 2, near all-time highs and making a almost like a triple top in this area. I think Bitcoin could be doing something similar. Now, I'm not saying it's going to break all-time highs, but I do think you have a good shot between the rest of the year. And of course, remember, with massive potential massive corrections along the way, at least one probably, and then into 2024 and getting up there like that, guys. So the S&P 500 will be going up, okay, to the right. I'm not on the S&P 500 right now, up and to the right, and maybe 42, 43, 44, 46, and maybe get near all-time highs, possibly. And these will just go do the same thing too. That's how I'm taking a look at that. So MicroStrategy, you have a good shot. The MicroStrategy put in a wave 1, it's in a 2, and the MicroStrategy now is entering into a third wave, guys. And MicroStrategy is up 8.42% for the day. And that's looking really, really good for MicroStrategy. And these are my targets going into 2024 for MicroStrategy in this direction. Of course, there'll be nice, decent corrections along the way, going up to that trend right up there, guys. So if you can believe it, that's right near $1,000 for MicroStrategy. So MicroStrategy is going to be doing that, and GBTC has a good shot of doing that. Then Bitcoin is going to have a good shot of making some moves right now, guys. And this is undeniable too. This inverse head and shoulders pattern, and this inverse head and shoulder pattern is the same target as the general area for the third wave target, between 34K to 38 and as high as 40K on that area. Okay, guys? So I'm going to try to make the videos a little bit shorter, just going over Bitcoin. I think it's fine, guys. I think 2023 is just going to be, it's going to be rocky. It's going to be a bumpy ride. one of the reasons I stayed in crypto, I was hoping it was going to be kind of smoother, but I think what it's going to be for the cryptocurrency market with Bitcoin is you're going to see quick moves. It's going to be in a correction for most of the time. And then when it moves, it moves. So it's going to go up quick. It's like it did over here, a little bit of a correction. How long was it? Let's say you could say it was in a correction. That's probably a bad example, but like it went here, made a move 28th of July, 20, and then all the way into September. So July, August, September. So 2 months, and then it made its move. So you could see something probably similar over here, guys, but right now I am going with the higher probability, in my opinion, just my opinion. I could be wrong. And this is the first wave of the third wave. And you have a very bullish second wave correction. It did come down and hit 50%, which is a requirement for a second wave correction on the area that it came to based on this leg. But your more crucial evidence is this right here, because it came all the way down in oversold territory down here, guys. And now, so it did its run here. It reset the whole cycle on the daily chart, more or less, right? Okay, more or less. And now it's over into this area to do another cycle. So what you'll see here more than likely in the RSI is it could be finishing up. Could it go a little bit higher? Very well could, but it come up, and then you're going to see, come back down into the RSI like so. Okay, up into the wave. Okay, and it's going to come back down into the RSI. And since it's a third wave, it might not go that deep. You just have to pay attention, or it may go deep, but the price may not go as deep. Okay, so when you see the RSI go real deep, but you don't see the price go very deep, that's bullish. So it comes back down here, and then it can do another run, breaking that one right there, right? And then whenever it gets above this one over here, that's when you're going to know that's the third wave that it's in. Okay, it's got to break that one though. So, and it's going to need, if it's going into a third wave, as you can see, it could be a very powerful third wave. As you see, this one right here went all the way up to 88 or 89. So you're going to need another wave over here for this third wave. It's going to have a lot of momentum, more momentum than that wave right there, guys, if that is the case. And I do think you have a good shot that this is the first wave of the third wave. So I'm good. I have my cryptos, and I'm not selling my cryptos. Okay. And the 10K Bitcoiners are probably not going to give up on their narrative until Bitcoin's above $40,000, guys. So keep that in the back of your mind as time goes on. The good news is this: majority of the market says it's going to go down. And when the bull cycles start on doubt and disbelief, just like it was at the top, most everybody says it's going to continue to go up, and it didn't go up. And most everybody's saying it's going to continue to go down, and it's not going down. If you made all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.